water and then we pour the water to the aircon. So have a look. See any leaking? Huh? Okay. Okay. This one, the water, because the tray overflow already.
Alright.
Okay, so because the 1 liter water I pour very fast, so that's why it overflow come out.
Okay.
But after that, you see, no more.
Yeah, no more.
No more. Okay. So the water has flow out.
Maybe there is no such thing that leakage from the aircon, right?
I don't think have any leaking from here lah, from the aircon lah. I don't see any leaking symptom here lah.
Even from the internal piping, no.
Yeah, even from here, even from the this internal the copper piping, also don't have any symptom of the leaking lah. Okay.
So possibly from the above unit.
Yeah, it's possible because you see all the this watermark.
Watermark, yellow watermark.
Yeah, watermark is from the top.
Right.
The water impossible is a backflow to the top there.
Yeah.
Must be goes to the down.
It must be goes down. There's no such thing of backflow
Yeah.
to the top.
Okay.
Okay, xong.